Uma kuphakama idlozi kuba khona iy'nkinga empilweni. Uma liphakama libuya liza kuwena alifiki kamnandi. Kuvaleka izinto ey'ningi. Yileso sikhathi-ke umuntu asukuma ngaso athi ufuna ukuyolungisa, ufuna ukuyohlola ezwe ukuthi kwenzekeni. Uma usufika laphaya uthola ukuthi kunedlozi eliphakeme elibuyile, kukhona elikhala ngakho. And then sekumele ukuthi ulungiseke. Zonke lezi iy'nkinga eziba khona ngesikhathi kuphakeme idlozi azibi khona ngesikhathi lingakaphakami. Usawuwena nje uyihambela wedwa kungenadlozi elikuhluphayo, kodwa kumele kufike lona kube khona iy'nkinga. Lezo y'nkinga ziyakuguqula wena as a person. Uphenduka ube omunye umuntu. Uzikhumbule ukuthi ngikhumbula lingakafika idlozi ukuthi ngangi-happy kanjani. Ngangenza into yenzeke, ngangicabanga into ngiyifune ngiyithole. Kodwa mase kufike lezi y'nkinga kwase kufika ubumnyama kwavaleka kwaba njengoba kukanje. Usho wena lapho usu-reflector on the life that you used to live as compared to le mpilo oyiphilayo uma sekukhona iy'nkinga zedlozi. Uma usulilaphile idlozi, kumele uphindele emuva esimeni sakho ube happy as you used to be lingakafiki idlozi ney'nkinga zayo. Uma usuhlehlile-ke lento usuyibukela kude uyayibona ukuthi iyawathinta kakhulu ama-emotions omuntu indaba yey'nkinga zedlozi. Ingakho masi-compare indlela yokwelapha sihlanganisa le yokulapha ngokomsamo noyokulungisa ama-chakras. Sithi buka isimo indlela esishintsha ngayo. Idlozi emsamo uma usulilaphile waba happy nalo laba happy lakudedela lathi sesiyakukhulula. Uphindele esimeni sakho sokuba happy. Uma futhi ulaphe ngokuthi ulungisa ama-chakras wakho, uyaphindela ube in control of your emotions. Lento ichaza ukuthi awucasuki ngokushesha, uya-understanda futhi izinto ukuthi why zenzeka, awubajaji futhi abantu because iy'nkinga mase zikuxakile, emotionally uba unstable. Uhlezi unolaka, awukwazi ukubekezela, uyajaja and ugcina usuthi everyone is against me. Ujaja in terms of ukuthi uthi abantu mabeyiphilela iy'mpilo zabo uthi they don't care about me. Abanendaba nami ukuthi kwenzakalani kumina. Abantu mabekuhlukumezile uyabajaja ngokuthi uzubasongele, uNkulunkulu uyobabona nabo ngelinye ilanga. It becomes all about you. Awuyenze introspection yokuthi yini eyenza abantu babehave ngale ndlela towards me. Kodwa once walilapha idlozi, uma kuwukuthi ulilaphile, lasho lathi sesilaphekile because into yedlozi idinga ukuthi uyilaphe iphele. Iphele lifike lona lisho lithi sesibongile, sesiyakukhulula. Once lathi sesiyakukhulula idlozi yazi ukuthi usulilaphile ngempela. But the thing is uma uzolapha through umsamo it takes a very long time because baloku befikile bonke nalo uyafika nalo uyafika. Kodwa ima ulilaphe ngendlela yokuthi uya-understand ukuthi lento ihambisana nama-emotions, lento iyi-energy. So I need to use all the measures available emhlabeni okulapha i-energy. Ngizothi ngiwulapha umsamo wami kodwa ngibe ngidila nama-chakras on the other hand because idlozi malifikile ama-chakras ami aya-unblockeka. So uma ngilungisa umsamo ngigijima ngenza nama-chakras at the same time with the understanding ukuthi I'm releasing le energy embi. Khona ngizosala ne-energy positive. Kuyashesha uyaboosteka umsamo wakho. And even if you were to just do ama-chakras, ungawenzi umsamo all together, you can find ukuthi ungaphila. It's just that as abantu we are not brave enough to do izinto ezi-drastic because izinto sizenza ngoba safundiswa zona nobabomkhulu bafundiswa. So manje this is the only way. Okay, fine, there's nothing wrong. We can blend both these methods. But make sure ukuthi uyawenza umsamo wakho, uyawugeza uyawuhlambulula ngokushesha and then uyaba-release. Don't entertain it too much because izoma impilo yakho. On the other hand, if ulungisa ama-chakras akho, because now ngesikhathi eblocked ama-chakras akho, uba na very same problems oba nazo uma kuvaleke idlozi. Izinto zakho ey'bhedayo, izinto zemali, izinto zothando, izinto how you relate to other people, how the universe sees you. Kahle kahle universe doesn't see you when your chakras are blocked. It's the same thing yenzeka nasedlozini. If uliphakeme wena uyambozeka wena ku-universe ingabe sakwazi ukukunikeza izinto because umbozo ilento kumele ukuthi uyiqaqe wena khona uzobona i-light. So both these methods ziyasebenzelana, but at the core of it, it's all about you being able to be in control of your emotions. Ngoba idlozi liyakudestabilizer to the point ukuthi uba sensitive. Ube umuntu ojaja abantu, like I said before, which is the same thing eyenzekayo masizoyibuka ngale angle yokuthi ama-chakras. The reason why si-unlock, si-align ama-chakras wethu senzela kona lokho ukuthi singabi overly sensitive to izinto ezenzekayo emhlabeni. Sikwazi ukucontrola futhi, because if wena ngaso sonke isikhathi makwenzeka into kuwena uzo-reacta futhi negatively, then awuzelaphi lapho. The universe is always going to give you the same lesson. If kuwukuthi kuxabanisa nabantu or abantu bayakuzonda, if wena njalo uya-retaliate kulabantu or uphendula nge-anger, then kuzoloku ifikile njalo uzozuthi wena mina ngumuntu ongathandwa abantu. Kanti i-universe ifuna uyibuke ngenye indlela lento. Uyibuke ngokuthi abantu ungabajaji. Uyibuke ngokuthi uthi universe ngiyasamukela le lesson, ngiyayamukela le lesson onginikeza yona. Once washintsha indlela o-reacta ngayo ezintweni ezikuvelela emhlabeni, ila uba empowered khona. Because i-universe iyabona ukuthi suyifundile le lesson, okay fine, ngeke sesiqedile. Mina bengikufundisela nje ukuthi you need to learn to react differently. If a lesson comes to you, it's up to you to control your emotions and take it as a lesson instead of taking it as if when you are a victim. No one is a victim. The universe is here with the lessons for all of us. How you react to these lessons is up to you. And the sooner you change your reaction, because you cannot be reacting the same way over and over again, because the universe is also going to keep on giving you the same lesson over and over again until when you get tired, because the universe never gets tired. Or it's going to get to a point where when you're going to leave this earth and come back again for the same lesson, because when you didn't learn it in this lifetime. So once our chakras are aligned properly, you become umuntu conscious about living. It's the same thing eyenzeka nangapha edlozini. If you're going to take that route, once walapha idlozi uba empowered, uba happy more than anything, and umuntu onenkinga akekho happy. There is nothing more important than gaining happiness if usaphila la emhlabeni, because happiness ikwenza ube naleso strength leso to see another day. But if you're so unhappy because of inkinga, ayikho enye into eqhubekayo. So we need to be able to balance these things and try and do it both. But make sure that you don't entertain kakhulu izinto zabantu abangasekho to the point ukuthi you lose yourself. Find yourself through aligning your chakras and activating them. And once waba to that stage, then you are able to be a person, or don't let other people spoil your day. When you are in control of your emotions, whatever people are doing, you know which these people are just it's just a reflection. It's my reflection. Whatever another person is doing to me, it is not because of them, it is because of me. So if you take it that way and try and react differently to situations that you come across in life, you're going to be very happy. It starts with that.